Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist, so the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Just a reminder of the warning systems we have here to make sure that you can get notified during a weather emergency. FlaglerCounty.org/alertFlagler sets you up with Alert Flagler, our local notification system. If you have a weather alert radio, make sure it's in good order and it's working and programmed properly. If you don't have one, consider getting one. They're really good devices to give you a heads up of potentially hazardous weather. If you have a smartphone, make sure you get some weather apps on there and always have a plan of action should threatening weather approach your location. Take a look at the weather maps now. Weak low pressure system off the East Coast, and they rotate like this, and that's helping bring some moisture, some wraparound moisture over the area, which is why we started off the week with some cloud. But things will be improving. That'll be moving away from us in about the middle of the week. High pressure is over the southeast, and high pressure rotates like this. That'll be helping pump some warm air up over Flagler County from the middle to the end of the week. So things are going to be looking nice here as we go through the next several days. Warm and settled this week. We'll be warming up throughout the week. That's going to be the main weather theme. Fog possible at night. There could be some sea fog along the coast as well. And then the risk of showers, however, as we get towards the weekend, as the next frontal system approaches the area and perhaps stalling to the south of us, bringing a breezy and maybe a few showers along the coast type conditions as we get to the weekend. Now, taking a look at our sky conditions, even though there's plenty of cloud Monday morning, eventually that will erode and expect plentiful sunshine throughout the week. Maybe some patchy cloud from time to time. It could be some fog in the mornings and maybe some sea fog along the coast from time to time. Looking at Monday now, thinning cloud. Eventually that cloud will erode. Sunny spells developing. At what point in the day, though, there's some uncertainty in that. So the high temperature is going to be governed on how much sunshine can get through the cloud. If the cloud breaks up early, we might see highs warmer than this, right around the mid-60s. If the cloud stays with us through most of the day, the temperatures may actually be a little cooler. But the cloud will eventually erode by tonight. Maybe some fog late tonight. Lows generally in the lower 50s. Now, as we get through the middle of the week here, Tuesday through Wednesday, sunny with patchy cloud, morning, late night fog, it will be possible. Highs in the lower to mid 70s, will be cooler at the beaches, lows generally in the lower 50s at night. As we get towards the end of the week, settled and progressively warmer, high temperatures getting near 80 degrees, lows in the mid 50s. And again, look out for the possibility of fog at night, maybe some sea fog along the coast. Now, as we get to the weekend, variable cloud, risk of a few showers, becoming breezy and cooler, high near 70 or so, lows in the mid 50s at night. Now, looking at the long range outlook now as we go into the next week of February from the 11th to the 17th. Middle part of February, look for a good chance of warmer than normal temperatures over Flagler County and maybe above or below normal precipitation chances as we go into that middle week of February here. At the beaches, surf 2 to 4 feet, surf temperature 55 degrees. That's rather chilly. Make sure you get your wetsuit on if you're surfing. Low risk of rip currents and a moderate UV index. That's going to wrap it up for the Emergency Operations Center. Get the latest on the weather service. Remember, the weather's always changing. Go to FlaglerCounty.org. Have your mouse over webcams and weather, and there's all kinds of resources right there to get the latest weather information for Flagler County. Make sure you sign up for Alert Flagler or check that weather radio. And if you want to go straight to the weather service, you can do so by going to weather.gov/jacks. It's going to wrap up in the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a lovely week.